Have you ever faced a question like 7 power 7,523 or 8 power 2,554 and wondered how on earth am I supposed to solve this problem? Don't worry, you're not alone. Then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Harismita Rajkumar. Today we'll be saying unit digit tips and tricks that are useful for solving any kind of quantitative aptitude questions. And unit digit is one of the most important topic when it comes to number system. And at least they'll be asking one or two questions in your railway, your math, TANSET placements, and they'll be asking like in any kind of quantitative aptitude, they'll definitely ask unit digit sum, at least one sum they'll ask. First of all, what is unit digit? Unit digit is nothing but when you're having a number 4,570, 4,567, your last digit number is your unit digit. Your last digit number is your unit digit number. Okay. So unit digit, mainly we have seen mainly we can divide these things into four types. One is basics, type 1, type 2 and type 3. Your type 1 involves numbers, unit digits, I mean your last numbers as 0, 1, 5, 6, and your type 2 is nothing but 4 and 9. Remaining 2, 3 and 7, 8 comes under this sums. Okay, so these are the unit digits. If your unit digit is ending with 1, you choose type 1, 2 type 2, 3 type 3. Basics is for you to solve type 1, type 2 and type 3, your basics is must. Okay, now when you're having this kind of sums, don't focus on anything else. The question is find unit digit of this sum digit. Okay, in all throughout the video, the question is finding unit digit, not the whole answer. Okay, when you're finding unit digit, you have to focus on your last digits alone. What is last digit here? 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 1. So basically it is 16. 16 is your answer. In that your last digit is 6. So your answer is 6 here. So when you focus here, you again have to focus on your unit digit. Your unit digit is 9 and 7. Here they are asking you to subtract. What is 9 minus 7? Which is 2. So your unit digit of this answer will be 2. And here they are asking you to multiply. Your last digit is 4. Here your last digit is 8. So 8 into 4 is 32 and your answer's last digit is 2. So this is your answer of this question. Okay. Now when you focus on these questions, what is 5 into 40? 5 into 8. 5 into 8 is 40. So your last digit is 0. Okay. After that, whatever number you're multiplying, your answer will be 0. So your unit digit is 0. So remember that when you multiply 5 into any even number, your answer will turn 5 into any number of even number, your answer will become 0. Okay, and this is one of the most important question. So what is the unit digit of this? 4. And what is the unit digit of this? 9. So 4 minus 9, you can't write it as minus 5. So generally how will you divide? You will be dividing one. So generally when you're taking, this becomes as 14, right? So this 4 becomes as 14, right? So you have to subtract 14 minus 9, which is 5. That is your unit digit. Similarly, when you're having the unit digits 3 and 9, you have to convert it as 13. Okay, 13 minus 9 is nothing but 6. Okay, so negative numbers, don't write it like that. Just convert. If you're having the first number smaller than the second number, take its tens place. So if it is 4 means it will become 14. If it is 3 means 13. 5 means 15, like that. Okay. Now 7 power 4. You don't know the big thing, right? So we can split it as 7 power 2 into 7 power 2, which is 49 into 49. What is 9 into 9? 81. So your final answer is 1. Okay. I hope it is clear. Now type 1. So type 1, basically you will be having, if your number is ending with 0, if your number is ending with 1, and if your number is ending with 5, and your number is ending with 6, power n, any number. Okay, your unit digit of this will be 0, unit digit of this will be 1, unit digit of this will be 5, unit digit of this will be 6. For example, if I ask you, I'll be asking you, this is the formula, I'll be asking you question. So this is 6 power anything, right? So your answer is 6. 5 power anything, answer is 5. I mean last digit is 5. So your answer is 6 plus 5, it is 11. So unit digit of this number is 1. Okay. Now, what is this? So you're having 1 power something. Your last digit is 1 power something. So your answer is 1 into your last digit is 6. So your answer is 6. So I hope it is clear. So anything power n, 0 power n is 0. Like the unit digit is 1 power n is 1. 5 power n is 5 and 6 power n is 6. Okay. Now let's go to type 2. What is 4 power 1? 4. 16. Then comes 64. Then comes 256. This is 9, 81, 729, 6561. So when you focus on this, what will you get? 4 power odd number. You're getting number ending with 4. Unit digit is 4. 4 power even number. Your unit digit is 6. So what? 4 power odd, what are you getting? 4. Your unit digit as 4. 4 power even. If your number is ending with 4 and its power is even, you're getting it as 6. Same way, if your number is ending with 9 power odd, you're getting it as your last digit as 9. And 9 power even, your last digit you're getting it as 1. Okay. I hope it is clear for you. Now let's solve the sum. So this is nothing but 9 power odd. 9 power odd, I'm getting last digit as 9. 4 power even. 4 power even, I'm getting last digit as 6. And we already know 6 power any number, last digit is 6. So 12 plus 9, 21. So your last digit, your answer, unit digit of this number is 1. I hope this is clear for you. If you want, I'll give you one more sum. Try solving 589 power into 345 power 5. So 5 power, what 5 power, this is even. Sorry, 9 power even. 9 power even is 1. 1 into 5 power any number is 5. So your last digit is 0. Okay. So I hope this is very clear for you. And for type 3, go to the part 2 video. I will definitely put like either tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So please check it out. And we'll be after part 2, we'll be solving sums related to unit digits. So don't forget it. Yeah. Thank you.